Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
As forecasted, the PSEi did continue with its correction last week, reaching as low as 6,178. This slightly exceeded our target of 6,200, but the index exhibited a rebound to end the week. So far, the PSEi trend remains down. However, we note some positive signals that are pointing to a potential rally. These are, 1. The MACD is currently above the signal line and has reached the neutral zone, and 2. The RSI is now pointing up and registered slightly above the 50 area. For the potential rally to play out, the index must break above the 6,300 or the short-term downtrend line. Let's see if this coming trading week is in the bull's favor.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Figaro Coffee Group, Incorporated. FCG suffered a decline after it reached its peak of 1.10 last March 2023. Recently, we saw the stock break out of a falling wedge pattern and it seems to be forming a cup and handle. Both of these formations are considered a bullish reversal patterns which may be followed by an upward rally. FCG is currently trading at 0.73. If a breakout of the cup and handle occurs, then we can open a position at 0.79 as we expect the stock to rally towards its resistance at 1.00. To manage risks, place your stop level at 0.71 and limit your exposure on this trade idea as the reward to risk ratio is slightly below 3-1.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.